I was thinking of taking over a flag. Let's see what happens. First up is Oman. But here's a tip. In war, you've got to be silent and surgical. You move without being seen, because if you don't, those swords will rip you to shreds. Take it from me. You do not want to mess with the Omani flag. Kenya is where territorial defense is taken seriously. One moment. This flag is defending itself with that tribal shield. And the next, it's attacking you. Game over, my friend. You're totally immobilized now. This is the Sri Lankan flag. Everyone knows this one. I know. Now, imagine how hard it is to invade a flag with a lion. But to make things worse, a lion with a sword.
Let the fight begin!
It looks like the symbol of Sinhalese bravery just won this battle. Another flag I'd call very warlike is Bolivia. Even though it has a beautiful landscape right here, it has a hidden arsenal stashed away behind it. Let's peel that away. Against a rifle shot, you might stand a chance. But against a cannon, your odds are 0. And you know it. Oman, Kenya, Sri Lanka, and Bolivia. These are just a few of the flags that, in my opinion, are tough to invade. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to dive deeper into the world of flags, I've left some links in the description for you.